In a bowl, mix 3 large eggs, 1/2 cup heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons mustard, and 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. Set aside. In a pan, cook ground beef with diced onion and garlic. Season with black pepper and 1/2 to 1 teaspoon salt. Add 3 ounces cream cheese and 2 tablespoons sugar-free ketchup. Mix thoroughly until the cream cheese is melted and add 4 slices of bacon, chopped. Mix and pour the mixture into a casserole dish. Pour the egg mixture over the ground beef. Put 10 or more sliced pickles on top of the casserole. You can also mix diced pickles in the ground beef. Add more cheese, about 1/2 cup, and more bacon, of course. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Put it on broil for a few minutes to brown the cheese a little. Let it rest for at least 5 minutes before eating. This is really good. I will add more veggies next time I make this. That looks delicious. A keeper for sure. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.